we're going to be talking about Create Your Own Happy, our brand new book, and it's got some really fun activities inside, like making your own calm down jar. The idea is to make something that's a liquid in a jar which you can move around, and when you're feeling like a bit frustrated or annoyed or a bit gloomy, you move them around and you just look and watch the glitter just fall to the bottom of the jar, and it just makes you feel a little bit more soothed by the calm jars. First of all, what we need is a third of hot water to put into our jars. You need 3 teaspoons of this gluey glitter. Wow, lots and lots and lots of gluey glitter. It's already making some really cool things in the water, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Wow. It's sometimes a really good idea to put some gloves on so you don't stain your fingers. These look amazing. A little bit red. Looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's go to town on the glitter. You see it all just falling to the bottom. You see all of that? Looks really great. It's just nice to spend 5 minutes with your calm jar and just look and take your time to create some calm tranquility at home. Thank you very much for coming here today, Naisha. You've done a really great job and I really love your calm jar. Do you think you're going to give it a name? Dreams. It's a really lovely name.